church, here to stay. Countless times I've failed, but you show me the way. But I'm not of this world. You've appeared to me, Lord. There is no turning back. I've seen my destiny is an eternal city. Whose architect and builder is my God. No, God has brought me to this chosen land. I don't really understand the sufferings I go through, Lord. Is all this for me? I am a man under your sovereign hand. Your mercy shines and now I see your tender-heartedness to deal with me. In the church, have your way, strike me up on the earth.